Hi there. Welcome to the Ecofinar Financial Channel. My name is Philip, and as usual, I'll be talking about something related to finance, investment, and the economy. And that's actually what we do here on this channel. If that is your interest, please subscribe to the channel and set up the notification so that you can receive regular updates from this channel. Today, I'll be talking about how you can invest in the US stock market. I know a lot of people are always looking to diversify, looking for other opportunities to invest in another territory, to invest in another domain. And today, we'll talk about that in detail. And we'll talk about the investment apps that also make it easy for you to do that. First, let's answer the question if it's possible to invest in another market. The answer is a categorical yes. And yes, it's been made possible by some investment applications, which are also available to Nigerians. First, let me state that we are not recommending any of the investment apps that we'll be talking about here. We are only intimating you of their existence and the fact that, yes, we know that's what they are into, and they probably do a good job at that as well. Some of them have been licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. I know some others are in the process of getting that license as well. But let me also remind you that sometime last year, the Central Bank of Nigeria actually sanctioned some of them, thinking that they were involved or they were sabotaging the CBN's efforts when it comes to foreign exchange. But we know better now. Because you remember, even then, Aboki FX was also accused of sabotaging the government's effort. Well, right now, I think we know better as regards that. So what we'll do is that I'll talk about all the investment apps. You can do your own research, do your own due diligence on them. And then after that, I'll talk generally about what they actually offer. So that's how it's going to be, so that if you choose to invest in any one of them, then you can do that. So the first one we talk about is Bamboo. Yes, Bamboo. It's such an investment app. It gives you access to the US stock market. You can invest in stocks of Apple, of Tesla, of Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google, Facebook, and any other stock in the US stock market. And I think it's the same for the other ones we are going to talk about as well. The second one we talk about is Chaka. Chaka offers similar services to what Bamboo does. And the third one is Trove. It's also similar, what they offer. And then the last one we talk about is RiseVest. So what these companies allow you to do is that you can invest as little. For some of them, you can invest as little as 1,000 naira, while some have the lowest limit of 10,000 naira. So it gives you access to buy the stocks of some of the companies in the US at piecemeal. So you don't even have to have sufficient funds to buy one share. If it's too expensive, you can buy in piecemeal and probably over time build up your momentum. What I'm saying is that if a stock is worth probably $100 and all you have is $50, you will still be given 0.5 off the number of shares. So that's one of the major characteristics of these investment applications. And also, they always publish their research just to help you make the best investment decisions. So they always share stocks they are watching, stocks they believe could be a good addition to your portfolio. And then you don't need to have foreign currency to invest. All you need is your Naira. They will convert it to dollars for you, but at the parallel market rate. Just note that it will be at the parallel market rate, and then you'll be able to invest in the US stock market. But let me state here clearly that the fact that they give you access to the US stock market should not make them a replacement for sound investment advice. The fact that you can buy stocks at the click of a button is not a replacement for the research you need to do on which stocks to buy, or the experts you need to consult as to whether you should buy some certain stocks or not. So they give you an easy access, but they are not a replacement for sound investment advice. Just note that, so that in case you download any of these apps and you see how easy it is after probably doing your KYC documentation, and you see how easy it is to buy, make sure you consult properly, either a stockbroker, an expert in this field, or you do your own due diligence before making such investments. So if you have questions, we'll be glad to take them in the comment section, and we'll be back with you next time.